Habari za wanafunzi. This week, which is week 8, we are going to start learning something new. Shapes in Swahili, and shapes is Maumbo. Maumbo. Say it with me. Maumbo, which means shapes. So we are just going to do the flashcards so that we try to memorize how to say how do you say circle in Swahili?
Circle.
How do you say?
Circle.
You say duara. Duara. Duara is circle. Say it with me again. Du-a-ra. Duara. Then we go to the next one. I can say it's a sister to the circle, so even its name is almost like the Swahili name for circle. Oval. How do you say oval in Swahili? Duara dufu. Duara dufu. Duara dufu. Repeat with me. Duara dufu. That's oval. Duara dufu. Then we have triangle. How do you say triangle in Swahili? Pembe tatu. Pembe tatu. Do you notice a word that you know here? Tatu. What does tatu stand for in numbers? 3. So it's triangle. Pembe tatu. Pembe tatu. Triangle, because it has 3 corners. Pembe tatu in Swahili. Then we have a pentagon. I'll give you a hint. How would you say it has 5? Penta means 5. So in Swahili, it would be pembe tano, because tano is 5. Moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano. Pembe tano. Pentagon. Pembe tano. And then we have a rectangle. How do you say rectangle in Swahili? Mstatili. 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 That's rectangle. How about a square? Square in Swahili is mraba. 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 That is a square. And then we have a star. How do you call a star in Swahili? Nyota. Nyota. Nyo. Remember when we are doing these sounds? Nya, nye, nyi, nyo, nyu. Like Kenya. So nyota. 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 Nyota is a star. And finally for today, diamond. How do you say diamond? It's almasi. 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 That's diamond. So for today, I want you to go to learn and just practice. What is a star? Is it mraba? Is it duara dufu? Is it duara? Is it nyota? So play this so that you are able to memorize and then go to match and try to match these activities. So I see duara dufu, I see pembe tatu. I remember tatu, that can only be a triangle. So I know my triangle is here. So I will say pembe tatu, I'll match it like this. So after you're done doing this too, the flashcards, learn and match. Okay? And then tell me the shapes that you've memorized. Maumbo, the shapes that you have memorized. Please let me know. Just either say them out loud, record yourself on Padlet, or just write them down if you can. Write them down, but I will appreciate hearing you say them. So can you say the shapes that you have memorized? Just go to the record section of Padlet and record yourself saying the shapes. Asante sana, looking forward to hear your voices. Kwaheri, tutaonana baadaye.